learners, today you will learn about how you can get prospects or the decision makers of each company listed here with the help of a single software named as Clay. So as you can see, there are thousands of companies, and what we want to do is to find their prospects or the decision maker of each single company listed here. So what we'll do is to download this in CSV. So this is the sheet that we have downloaded right now. So we'll open it in the Clay software. So previously we used this section in order to find the company's name or to find the lookalike companies, but in order to find the prospects, we'll use this section which is named as import from CSV. So click the downloaded sheet. This is the sheet that we have recently downloaded. 4:48 p.m. Open. Click continue. Click new table. Complete import. Okay. As you can see, these are the columns that we have just imported in the Clay. Now what we have to do is to click action here and click find people at these companies. So we've already mentioned the company attributes, like what sort of company sizes that we want. We've already included the industries. We do not need to exclude anything, and we don't want any descriptive keywords for the time being. Okay, job titles. These are the kind of person that you want to target or you want to research. So we want to know the names of owner, partner of the company, C-suite of the company, VPs of the company, director of the company, head of the company. I guess these are enough. So I don't want this thing, and I don't want any experience of those people. I don't want their bio. I don't want their location, as we all know that the companies that we have searched for gives us data of United States. So limit per company. It means that we want only 2 persons that are leading the company or who are the head of the company. It will show me results of 2 people for a single organization or a company or a prospect. Now you have to click preview people. It might take some time. Okay. So within milliseconds, it has given us result. Click import here and click import to new table. Continue for free, as we are using free version right now. Okay. We've got 555 results for the previous setup. It means that it is showing us it's taking time to load the data. Yeah, it has given us 555 people. Now I'll teach you how you can map these people with those companies. I'll teach you this thing in a while too. Okay, let's download this data. Download in CSV. Okay. So before jumping into the Google Sheet, let us discuss what this data is showing. As you can see that it's showing first name, last name, full name, job title, co-founder, CTO, CFO, VPs, director, owner. So it's giving the company domain, location of that specific person, and the LinkedIn profile of that specific person. So just open Google Drive. Okay. As you can see that this is the previous company, the previous sheet that we have exported. Let's name it as sheet 1 and open import. Click import here, click upload, and this is file. Find people from untitled. Okay, these are the people or prospects that we recently exported. Okay, insert a new sheet, import data. Let's name it as people. So delete this column, which is named as imported columns. So it's giving us company table. I'm sorry. And this is the company domain. This thing. And just click bold just to highlight the heading. Just do this thing. So it does not need any formatting, so it's okay to go. Anyway, now we will apply VLOOKUP. We are going to insert column at the left, another column at the left. So just name it VLOOKUP data. We are doing it for the sake of mapping. This formula is equal to VLOOKUP search key A2, comma, range. Range is basically name of we want to search from people district, exclamation mark, and we want to search from A to A. We want to search within this column. So we'll write here A colon A, comma, index. We are going to give range 1 as it is going to search within one column of the second sheet named as people, comma, false. This is by default. Okay. Now we want to drag it. So as you can see, it's showing us different websites. You can double click it if your data is too much. Just result like this. You have to do it manually. Anyways. As you can see that it's a lot of data. Okay. This one. So as you can see that it's giving us a lot of websites. Okay. Now why we have I've made this thing. This column, sorry. I want to export this data here, but not with formula. I want it as the value. For example, if you click here, you can see that it's giving us formula. So I'll copy it, Command C and Command Shift V. So as you can see that I've pasted it here as a value, not as a formula. So I guess I have to do it again as I've also pasted this heading. So Command C, Command Shift V. Okay, delete this. So this is how it is. So this is how it is. So I want to see only those websites or the rows which is I want to see only that roles which are giving us full-fledged data. I want to hide this not available company. So I'll apply here filter. Click this one and then click here. So I want to remove blanks and I want to remove not available as well. Click OK. So as you can see that it's showing us only the companies whose data is available for these people. So it is what I was calling what mapping actually is. Okay. So this is all from my side. I find people of different companies. This is the sheet 1, where I do have decision makers of each company listed here. This company, this company, and this company, and the rest of the companies. I do have decision makers of these companies in the second sheet named as people. This process, next step is to find the emails of the people listed here, emails of these people. So for the time being, we are using lead magic tool for this purpose. Let me show you this tool. Okay, I have recently purchased this tool and I've already utilized this tool. So this was all from my side. Thank you so much for watching the video.